The story of lightning. During the development of a thunderstorm, the air fronts move upward while the water droplets move downward. These vigorous movements cause separation of charges. The positive charges collect near the upper edges of the clouds and the negative charges accumulate near the lower edges. There is accumulation of positive charges near the ground also. When the magnitude of the accumulated charges becomes very large, the air, which is normally a poor conductor of electricity, is no longer able to resist their flow. Negative and positive charges meet, producing long and thin lines of bright light and sound. We see these lines of bright light as lightning. The process is called an electric discharge. The process of electric discharge can occur between two or more clouds or between clouds and the earth. Today, we do not get frightened by lightning like our ancestors did. Now we understand the basic phenomenon. However, lightning strike could destroy life and property. It is therefore necessary to take measures to protect ourselves. How to protect ourselves from lightning or do's and don'ts during lightning? It depends upon whether we are indoor or outdoor. If we are indoor, inside house or building, avoid contacting with telephone wires and electrical wires because they are good conductor of electricity. Avoid bathing during thunderstorms to avoid contact with running water as tap water is a good conductor of electricity. Electrical appliances like computers, TVs, etc. should be unplugged because if lightning strikes a local electrical pole, it can cause oversupply of electricity resulting in severe damage to computer, TV, etc. Electrical lights can remain on. They do not cause any harm. If we are outdoor or outside our house during lightning and thunderstorm, no open place is safe. Remember the phrase, when thunder roars, go indoors. On hearing thunder, we should rush to a safer place. Safe place includes a house, office, shopping center, and hard-top vehicle with windows shut. After hearing the last thunder, wait for some time before coming out of the safe place. If you are traveling by car or by bus, you are safe inside with windows and doors of the vehicle shut. Avoid open vehicles. Open vehicles like motorbikes, tractors, open cars are not safe. Open fields, tall trees, shelters in parks, elevated places do not protect us from lightning strokes. We should not carry an umbrella during thunderstorms because thunderstorms are generally accompanied by lightning. Lightning may strike the top end of the metal rod of an umbrella and thus cause harm to us. If in a forest, take shelter under shorter trees. Longer trees have more chances of striking by lightning which might burn the tree. Stay away from poles or other metal objects. Do not lie flat on the ground. Instead, spread low on the ground. Place your hands on your knees with your head between the hands. This position will make you the smallest target to be struck. Lightning conductors. Lightning conductor is a device which is used to protect buildings from the effect of lightning. It is a metal rod mounted on the structure or building and intended to protect the structure from a lightning strike. The metal lightning rod requires a connection to earth to perform its protective function. If lightning hits the structure, it will preferentially strike the rod and the lightning energy will pass to the ground through a wire instead of passing through the structure and not cause damage to the structure or building.
In this picture, you will see that this is the lightning rod or lightning conductor. Here it is connected by wire. Here this is the wire, and it is ultimately connected to a copper plate which is inside the has been placed inside the earth. Whenever there is lightning in the sky, there are more chances that the lightning will strike this lightning rod and This electrical charge will pass from the lightning rod to the earth and the building will remain safe.
Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.